Hello, my name is Altaf Khan. So today is the seventh day of Zoom Marathon Challenge Season 4. So today we will talk about the OOPS, means object-oriented programming in the coding languages like Java, JavaScript, Python. So basically, the in coding languages, OOPS is used to code readability, code reusability, and the clean code. So basically, OOPS has four principle that we talk today. So four principles like first is abstraction, then encapsulation, then polymorphism, and then inheritance. There are four principle or four pillar of object-oriented programming. So firstly, we will talk about the abstraction. Abstraction means hiding some data. Means if we drive a car in real life, we know what is the steering and what is the accelerator, what is the brake, and how to operate them. But we don't want to know that how steering after steering moving, how tire will move, and how engine will work, how after pressing the accelerator, how engine will work, how engine will execute the commands or that type of things. And when we click or use the igniter, how engine process that command that ignites. So that type of things we don't want to know. So that type of things is hidden from us, that how it's working. So basically this is abstraction, where the two in the classes we don't know and don't want to know that how it's working, how data implementation is working, how data modifies, but we want the result after calling the function or method of that class. So this is the abstraction. Then we see the encapsulation. Encapsulation is nothing but grouping some element in the some in a single unit. Like if we see the capsule in the market, there is multiple element or some parts of medicine in the capsule that is capsulated, but we don't see that what is the thing in that side, but we take it inside our mouth, and it will start working. Then we don't know what is inside and what is inside not. So that type of things is encapsulation. Like if we think about the computer, there is the motherboard, RAM, or processor, graphics. That type of things is encapsulated in this only single unit, which is called CPU. So this is the encapsulation, where we encapsulate the multiple things, like multiple methods in the single class. So this is the encapsulation. We can see another example, like of car. There is multiple elements is grouped in single unit, like tires, like engine and bodies. Other things is only grouped in the single unit. So this is the concept of encapsulation. So after that, we can see there is the concept of inheritance. So basically, inheritance is nothing but only a simple concept of things, that like there is a first there is a class, and after that we make or derive a class on the base of that class. Means the base class will be called as parent, and the derived class will be called as a child class. This concept is called parent child, because the some facility or quality or quantity of things is in the first class, then some we inherit in the second class. Like father has qualities in the child. So this type of things will be called inheritance. Inheritance can be a single inheritance, means there is one father and there is one child class, and it can be multi-level, means the class can be like as in a real life example, like parents, then grandparents. It can be that type of things. Then the this is the multi-level, and there is multiple inheritance can be possible, like the one class is derived from two or three classes. So this is the inheritance. So after that, the concept is remaining is polymorphism. So polymorphism is nothing but there is class has concept as multiple function. Like poly means multiple, and forms means form more means multiple forms, means polymorphism has means is the multiple form of the things. Like if we mm, if we create an object or method in the first class, then there is can be that function can be in second class or other class. That function has overridden or overwritten or override the functionality of that function, which is used to make another things. So this is the polymorphism in the object oriented programming. So there is the we talked about the four pillars of the object oriented programming. That's all. Thank you.